Inilah detik-detik Presiden Republik Indonesia Prabowo Subianto melakukan pertemuan dengan Presiden Amerika Serikat Joe Biden, tepatnya pada hari Selasa 12 November 2024. Selanjutnya, Presiden Prabowo diarahkan menuju ruang reserved untuk mengisi buku tamu kepresidenan sebagai tanda kehormatan kunjungannya. Momen ini menandai formalitas awal dari pertemuan tingkat tinggi antara kedua negara yang memiliki sejarah panjang dalam hubungan diplomatika. Marilah kita saksikan, inilah detik-detik Presiden Prabowo Subianto disambut hangat oleh Kementerian Amerika Serikat.
Mr. President, welcome to the White House.
Thank you. Thank you.
So glad you're here.
Thank you.
Have you sleep. Good?
Good.
Okay. Would you mind signing our guest book for us,
Thank you.
please? Please, have a seat.
Mr. President, very kind of you. Great honor.
I just meet my son. Meet my son Hunter.
Mr. President,
How are you? How are you, sir?
honored to meet you.
How are you, sir?
Come on, come on.
Thank you, sir.
Say what you'd like to say, and then we'll try to get the press to leave, which is always difficult. And once then we can talk, all right?
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thanks for being here.
Thank you, sir. Great honor.
All right. To mark an important anniversary, 75 years of diplomatic relationship with Indonesia and the United States. 75 years. I'm proud that the partnership between our countries is stronger than it's ever been. And today we're going to discuss how we continue to strengthen that partnership. First, in my view, by advancing free and open Indo-Pacific with ASEAN at its center. As two of the largest democracies in the world, it seems to me our nations have a special responsibility in this vision. Second, fighting the climate crisis. Indonesia is a critical player in the clean energy transition. And third, by building a secure and resilient supply chain. And finally, by deepening our comprehensive strategic partnership that includes deepening our security cooperation. We'll discuss also global challenges, including in Gaza and the South China Sea, with Mr. President. I'm looking forward to our discussion and welcome. I'd like to have you here. The floor is yours.
Thank you. Thank you, President Biden. Thank you for receiving me. I also would like to thank you. You phoned me yourself upon my election, and
Great victory.
yes, thank you very much. And then finally, I could make it, and you received me today. United States for us is a great friend. United States supported us in our struggle for independence and helped us many times in our time of need. Therefore, I will work very hard to strengthen Indonesian-United States relationship, and I would like to work towards this end. That we have a strong cooperation. Once again, President Biden, thank you very much for.
Thank you. Look forward to our discussion.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Foreign Minister, Mr. President,
How are you?
Very well, thank you, sir.
he's a graduate of Norwich. He's my
President.
cabinet secretary. Secretary of Cabinet.
Independence Petri.
Good to see
It is
you.
honored to meet you.
Thank you.
Thank you. See you at the airport tomorrow. Thank you.
Rusia Vladimir Putin dan Presiden Republik Indonesia Prabowo Subianto, kedua pemimpin besar yang pada tahun ini berhasil memenangkan perebutan kekuasaan di negara masing-masing. Sebagai presiden terpilih dari kedua negara besar, Vladimir Putin dan Prabowo Subianto diketahui punya gaya kepemimpinan yang cukup mirip. Berasal dari kalangan militer, keduanya terkenal tangguh dan gagah, sehingga membuat keduanya disegani oleh rakyat masing-masing, serta dunia internasional. Kesamaan-kesamaan yang dimiliki Putin dan Prabowo membuat banyak pemimpin dari berbagai negara menghormati kedua presiden ini. Seperti yang sudah kita singgung tadi, Vladimir Putin dan Prabowo Subianto memiliki gaya kepemimpinan yang terkesan cukup sama. Keduanya hidup dengan latar belakang militer yang sangat kuat. Bila melihat latar belakang kedua presiden ini, Vladimir Putin adalah agen intelijen dari KGB, organisasi keamanan utama Uni Soviet. Sedangkan Prabowo Subianto merupakan politisi Indonesia yang berasal dari rahim Komando Pasukan Khusus, Kopassus, Tentara Nasional Indonesia. Karir keduanya yang selama bertahun-tahun mengabdi sebagai nasionalis untuk kepentingan negara, membuat Vladimir Putin dan Prabowo Subianto memiliki kerangka berpikir yang bisa dibilang sama bila diperhadapkan dengan masalah-masalah negara. Background militer yang sangat kuat di antara keduanya membuat Vladimir Putin dan Prabowo Subianto menunjukkan karakter yang kuat dan keras dalam mendahulukan kepentingan negara dibanding dengan kepentingan individu. Hal ini dapat kita lihat di dalam diri keduanya. Pada Vladimir Putin, ia terlihat sangat tegas dan mendahulukan keamanan negaranya ketika ia dengan berani menginvasi Ukraina.
Itu dia informasi kali ini, Bapak Ibu, yang mana Presiden Prabowo Subianto alhamdulillah ya dihormatin, diseganin oleh Presiden Amerika Serikat dan para menteri-menterinya. Momen tak terlupakan di hari 10 November, tepatnya hari di mana diperingatinya pahlawan di Indonesia. Kita doakan Prabowo sehat selalu. Amin amin. Oke, itu dia video kali ini. Sampai berjumpa di next video. See you.